We can also find area of figures that have been graphed on the coordinate plane. Let's look at example 4. Find the area of the figure in square units. Now, we've seen these kinds of problems before, and usually we can say, well, we can just count the amount of square units. But sometimes one of the square units isn't a full square unit, and you've got to estimate to combine to see how many square units it'll be, and your estimation may be a little bit off. That's why it's nice to have your use of your formulas to back up your work. This figure, as you can see, it was a weird figure before, but we can see that it can be separated into a rectangle and a trapezoid by drawing the dotted line that you see here. So, you can find the area of your rectangle and the area of your trapezoid, which you know how to do with your formulas, and then add them together. So looking at this rectangle, you can see that the length of the rectangle is 5 units, and the width of the rectangle is 2 units. So you can do area equals length times width, area equals 5 times 2, or 10 square units. Then you can look at your trapezoid and see that your bottom base is 4 units long, your top base is 3 units long, and your height, straight down from base 1 to base 2, is 2 units. So I can use my formula for area of a trapezoid. Area equals 1/2 times height times the quantity of base 1 plus base 2. And I can plug in my values, so now it's 1/2 times 2 times the quantity of 3 plus 4. If I add 3 plus 4 first, I will get 7. And then I can do 7 times 2, which is 14, and take half of that, which is 7 square units for the area of your trapezoid. Then you can add together the area of your rectangle and the area of your trapezoid and get your total of 17 square units. Try the Got It problems below to check your understanding, and be sure to use these formulas to back up your estimations. Don't just do an estimation because you may be off a little bit.